easily the strike. The strike was the first, really, I think the first time that I, as an employee at that point, really understood the implications of the threats to public education, both, of course, K through 12 and higher education. And I think it galvanized all of the members who turned up to picket and who did so every day for the 2 weeks that we were out on strike. And it really helped me to see just how committed the union was and continues to be to improve the situation for all of its members, regardless of whether or not you picketed. I mean, there were a couple people on our campus who chose not to cross the picket line who crossed the picket line for certain reasons, which I still don't agree with, but those are the choices that they made. And yes, what I say personally was a little resentful that they reaped the benefits, sure. But on the other hand, that is what comes when you belong to an organization like a union, which does work for the benefit of all, not, for the exclusive benefit of some at the expense of others. And I think that's the most important thing about a union membership, is that you work for the benefit of all people in your unit or in your union. You don't leave anybody behind.